Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Texecom Premier Elite alarm in 2026. So first of all, before you even begin, there is one important thing that you need to know. The factory reset procedure only works if the panel's NVM memory is not logged. If it has been logged by the installer, the reset process won't complete successfully. So first of all, you need to simply open the control panel, and then you just have to simply disconnect all the power sources. This means removing both the main power and the backup battery so that the panel is fully powered down. Now over here, you need to simply locate the load defaults or the factory defaults button on the control board. So on this particular board, you will find the buttons over here. So you need to simply press and hold this button while preparing to restore the power to the panel. While continuing to hold the button, simply reconnect the power to the alarm panel. Just keep holding until the keypad displays a message similar to defaulting NVM, please wait, and the panel will begin restoring factory settings automatically. So once the defaulting process is complete, the panel will restart with factory settings loading. So at this point, all of the previously programs that you have added or the zones or the user settings will be erased. So once it is successful, you commonly need to use the factory credentials, and that's how you can basically begin reprogramming it again. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.